Greetings, football lovers. How are you guys? I hope you guys are well. I hope the new year is treating you well, guys. I'm good, guys. My name is Debos Kosana, and this is my channel. This is the channel and the platform where we talk all things football, local football, continental football, and international football. And on this video, we are previewing the Caf Champions League match between Maniema of DRC and Mamelodi Sundowns, right? Yes, I hope I'm pronouncing the name very well, right? The match it is Maniema Union, right? It's Maniema Union of the Democratic Republic of Congo. It's a group stage match of the Caf Champions League. The match is taking place on Saturday, the 11th of January. Time it is 3 o'clock, right? It's taking place in the Democratic Republic of Congo, meaning the Maniema Union are the host, are playing at home. The Mamelodi Sundowns of South Africa are playing away in DRC. Okay, let's get to it, and let's look in terms of the injuries and suspensions for both teams coming into this match. Coming to this match, both sides have got no player sidelined by injuries or suspensions. All right, okay. As I've already said, the match is taking place on Saturday, the 11th of January. Time it is 3 o'clock. The match is played in the DRC, the Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, then let's look at the form that the two teams are carrying into this match. Okay, and we'll start with the home team, the host, which is Maniema Union. All right, let's look at their past 5 matches, right? Their past 5 matches will date back from the 21st of September. Meaning Maniema has not played much football, right? Because when you look at their past 5 matches, you have to start as far back as the 21st of September 2024, where they played against Petro Athletic. They played a goalless draw. They were playing away, right? Then on the 26th of November, Maniema played against Mamelodi Sundowns in South Africa. That was the first round, right? They played to a goalless draw in South Africa. Okay, they held Mamelodi Sundowns, and they created quite a number of chances in that match. Maniema created quite a number of chances in that match against Mamelodi Sundowns, the match that was played in Pretoria in South Africa. Then on the 7th of December, Maniema played the Caf Champions League match again. They played to 1-1 draw against Raja Casablanca. Then on the 14th of December, Maniema plays against FA Rabat, and they played to a 1-1 draw against FA Rabat. Then the 4th of January, Maniema Union played away against FA Rabat, and they lost 2-0. Meaning out of the 5 matches, they drew 4 matches and lost 1. So they are not a weak team, right? They are not a walkover. So Real Madrid should not expect a walkover. And they remember in the match that was played in Pretoria, that's where this team proved that indeed they are not a walkover. Okay. Then let's look at Mamelodi. So I'm not sure what's going on with the league in DRC. You have to check what's going on, because all these matches that the 5 matches that Maniema have played are all Caf Champions matches, right? Are not league matches. So you just need to check what's going on with their league there in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Then let's check the Mamelodi Sundowns, which are the visiting team. Their past 5 matches dating back from the 15th of December. They played against Raja Casablanca at home. They won 1-0. It was a Caf Champions League match. 18th December, Mamelodi Sundowns played against Stellenbosch Football Club. It was a league match away. They won 1-0. And then the 24th of December, Mamelodi Sundowns played away to Amazulu in the Betway Premiership, the league match. They won 1-0. Then the 28th of December, Mamelodi Sundowns played against Richards Bay away in KwaZulu-Natal, and they won 2-0. It was a Betway Premiership match, the league match. Then on the 4th of January, Mamelodi Sundowns played away to Raja Casablanca, and they lost 1-0. All right. This is the match where there were 3 red cards, 2 for Mamelodi Sundowns and 1 for Raja Casablanca. So meaning Mamelodi Sundowns are coming to this match at the back of a defeat that they suffered away in Morocco. Okay, so it means out of the 5 matches, Mamelodi Sundowns, they won a whooping 4 matches and lost only 1. Right? Okay. Then let's look in terms of the group standing. Remember, I said this is a group stage matches, right? Let's look how the teams are standing in terms of their group. Remember, the group consists of 4 teams, right? The home team, start with the home team, which is Maniema Union, are currently last in the group because they are at position 4. They've played 4 matches. They've only got 3 points, right? Remember, they drew 3 matches and they lost 1. Then look at the visiting Mamelodi Sundowns, the visiting team, which is Mamelodi Sundowns. They've played 4 matches. They won 1, drew 2, and lost 1. So they've accumulated 5 points, right? So let's hope for a good match. Let's all watch the match. Then we'll talk after the match. We'll do a review of the match. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in, and all the best to Mamelodi Sundowns, which is representing South Africa. Siyabonga.